We are in La Plaza Hotel in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. And we are here because Barbados is, of course, part of the 12th CARIFESTA being held here in Haiti. We have brought excerpts of Sounds of Resistance, Echoes of Change, and that was the title of this year's Crop Over Evening of Folk. And it's absolutely fantastic to be doing that play here and to be able to take a play that was about resistance and rebellion and bring it here to the birthplace of resistance and rebellion and freedom for enslaved African people has been absolutely fantastic. The plot of the piece is that some young people want somewhere to throw a crop over fete. They've gotten together and they decided this is how they're going to make some money, and they stumble onto Newton Plantation, and so they're having a grand old time, and it happens to stir up not one but two entities. One entity is Old Doll, and they wake her up, and so she joins in. She comes through another entity called the Spirit of Newton. When the young people confront Old Doll, they actually say it. They say, listen, darling, we ain't know you talk about with this resistance thing. Tourism is we business. We ain't into this resisting and freedom. And the rest of the piece is her introducing them to their history, their own legacy of fighting, their legacy of resistance. So far, the response has been fantastic. They feel it. We very recently actually had a performance, and we had a standing ovation. One kid ran downstairs and they were just hugging and saying that was absolutely fantastic. So it travels, and it travels well.